to another edition of Yo on the Go. Today we'll be talking about optimization strategies with respect to that of a career. So there are many times in which you can look for better jobs, better positions, better opportunities. That usually takes in the form of an interview or questioning. It's always good to just be aware that this is an exercise that may not result in you actually changing positions because the position itself you may find may be the best position for you at this particular time. Much like trying to drive a new car, much like trying to test drive an opportunity, they are very similar. You're there not to make a decision, you're there to really take into account whether this is a good idea or not. And so you need to take into account things such as pay, of course, but the lifestyle that you'll be living, the amount of hours you'll be working, the amount of side benefits that you have as being part in that position. I tend to look for opportunities that increase option space, not so much a particular goal or a particular career, but looking at what else can I do in the future if I take this particular position. So pay is a factor, but not a huge factor. The other thing is also your future self. You've got to think about your future self 30, 40 years from now. And you don't want to shortchange that future self. That means, of course, looking for good payment here and now, working to save, but also looking at the retirement packages. A lot of companies today know, just like when you're buying a car, that you look at the sticker price, but you don't really look at the long-term costs. And so for a car, what they will do is make you look like you have a lower sticker price or a lower monthly payment, but stretch those payments out for a very long time. How companies do that in terms of pay is that they can have the ability to give you a lot of good upfront pay, but have a very non-competitive retirement package on the back end. When you get into those situations, you really need to take into account the retirement. And for a typical 20-year time frame, for any given retirement, every percent that you're not given in retirement amounts to about 2% in the future. So just think about that. That's after taxes, that's after all is said and done, versus you taking that money, paying the taxes, and then putting it in the stock market or some other equivalency for that time period. The difference is 2% or twice. So think about that as you are looking for positions that not only you need to take care of your present self, but also your future self, and take those things into account. So I hope this was helpful for you in thinking about your future optimization strategies. Until next time, bye.